Gailey Machinery, Fujin Group Company, Ltd. Empowering global industry in the fame of Gailey, with one-stop service for machinery solutions. Make every equipment made in China. Become the most powerful partner in the minds of overseas customers. With over 600 employees in the head office, over 60 senior engineers, and more than 500 after-sale installation team members working overseas. We have set up more than 100 steel production lines in more than 60 countries. Aim beyond limits to find what's next.